Hey, it's John with JohnLaGuardia.com, bringing you tips and tools for outdoor adventure. On today's episode, we've got a quick unboxing from Ombraz. These are some armless sunglasses that I've been waiting to get my hands on for about a year now. I finally pulled the trigger, bought myself a pair. They're kind of expensive. They're $160 retail, but from what I understand, these are well worth it. Let's check them out. I have not seen these in person yet, but I'm pretty excited about this. Ombra means shade in Italian. Wow, pretty cool packaging. Notice what the packaging says here. We plant 20 mangrove trees for every pair that we sell, so that is pretty awesome. This makes Ombraz the most carbon negative product in the world. Let's check these out. So I ordered the charcoal gray frames along with the polarized gray lens as well. These are pretty cool. Wow. At first glance, just looking at these right out of the box, they are super lightweight, and I can tell they're pretty durable too. I mean, this is some really nice material. This is aerospace grade feather light material on the frames, marine grade cord, and from an optic perspective, these are German engineered lenses that are scratch and smudge resistant as well. Wow, I can't wait to give these a try. They have this cord that you just pull to tighten, so it's fully adjustable, and you don't have any arms attached to this or any screws or anything like that that could break. And that's one of my pet peeves with normal sunglasses. So comes with a case, comes with a microfiber cloth as well that's attached to the case so you don't lose it. Again, these are $160 retail, and yeah, great for the environment. I love what Ombraz is doing, and I hope you can check these out. Check them out at ombraz.com. I'll put a link down in the description below. And while you're down there, one of the things that you could do to help out the channel is please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. In about a month, we'll give these a full review, and I'll let you know just how much I like these glasses and whether or not I recommend them. So thanks for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.